Welcome. We continue with the introduction to psychology, and we are looking at biology psychology or biopsychology. And today, specifically, we are looking at nervous system. This is your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenfumbo. Remember to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For any information, contact WhatsApp +260 7618 1253 +260 976181 253. This program is brought to you by Mukuba College of Education in Copperbelt Institute of Health and Social Sciences in conjunction with Gideon Roberts University. So you can register for January, March, and June or September intake. We have got set online, 100% online, as you are getting this one is lecture from online classes. You can register in certificate on psychosocial counseling, diploma and certificate in paralegal counseling, diploma in psychology and counseling, diploma in teaching methodology, and bachelor's of psychology and counseling. We are also offering scholarships in all these programs. You can be able to start them wherever you are, whatever time that you want to study. Don't hesitate. Get a paper as you continue to listen to this this trend. Welcome back. We continue with the nervous system. The nervous system is a complex system that plays a crucial role in controlling and coordinating body functions. It consists of too many parts. So the nervous system consists of too many parts or two system. Number one, which is called central nervous system, and number two, it is called peripheral nervous system, which is PNS, and central nervous system, it is CNS. So the central nervous system, which is the CNS, is a system that that is central, which coordinates from the brain to all the parts of the body. So there are two branches or two things that are in a central nervous system. We have got the brain, and also we have got the spinal cord. So the brain is the top of the central nervous system, which transmits information through the spinal cord and takes to the whole body. So the central center of the body, responsible for processing information, controlling movement, and managing functions like sensation, perception, and cognition, is called the brain. So the brain controls the body, it control the center of the body, responsible for processing information, controlling movements, and managing functions like sensation, perception, and cognition. Then we have got the spinal cord. A spinal cord is a long, thin tube like structure extending from the base of the brain. It just starts from the brain and going down to the lower back, are responsible for transmitting messages between the brain and the rest of the body. So we are the spinal cord. It passes through the what is called the backbone. So it passes through the backbone, and it transmits the information that is taken from the brain, and also that is taken from the body, taking to the brain. Then we have got what is called peripheral nervous system, which is PNS. The peripheral nervous system has got also has got three areas, three functions. We have got it has got one, sensory nervous, which is sensory neurons. They carry information from the sensory receptors to the CNA, to the central nervous system. So now when we say the receptors are the those senses that we majorly call the five traditional senses, like from the ears, hearing, from touch, which is the feelings, sense of feeling, then testing, and all those are receptors, so they carry information. When, for example, you put salt on your tongue, then it is going to carry that information through what is called the neurons, and take them to the central nervous system, which is at the which goes through the backbone, and it takes to the brain and gives the information of the brain. Then there is also another one which is called motor nervous, which is motor neurons, which carries signals from the central nervous system to the muscles and the glands, controlling movement and functions. For example, when you touch on the fire, so the feeling, the sense of feeling, is going to take the information to the brain through what is called sensory neurons, and from there, when the brain is going to respond through what is called motor neurons. So it is going to carry the signal back, and it is going now to respond with the action. Then you are going to see the hand removing from the fire. So that is how the motor and the sensory nervous works. So the sensory neurons will detect, maybe will detect the fire and takes to the brain. Then the brain is going to inform the motor nervous system, which is going to carry out and remove the your hand from fire. So then we have got what is called autonomic nervous system. This one regulates involuntary functions like heat, sweat, digestion, and breathing. So this which is called autonomic nervous system, it is the one that controls the inside. It controls the breathing. It controls the digestion and other functions that are not connected to to these senses, which are the five traditional senses, but it is controlled in other senses that we have looked at in the brain, and in the sensory system. So the function of the nervous system: number one, this nervous system control and coordinate. So it integrates and processes information to control movements, functions, and behaviors. So remember, we are looking at psychology, and our main desire to learn about this is to see how does the behavior connects to someone's actions. So the nervous system, the one, control and coordinate, coordinate. So it integrates and process information to control movements, functions, and behaviors. That's where now it is from the nervous system where a person may come fearful and may shout. Then it also controls what is called sensation and perception. It receives and interprets sensory information from the environment. So that is the one that makes a person to respond. If, for example, and also like where we shall be looking at in other theories in psychology, you may find that one may be afraid of certain things because of what has happened. So because of that, this is going to perceive something, then is going to interpret as fear, and is going to respond in a certain way. Then it also enables communication between different parts of the body. So it is the nervous system that allows the communication within the body to respond to situations. And it also regulates, meaning it maintains homeostasis by regulating various bodily functions, like we are talking about digestion, and also other systems that works in the body. So it controls that using what is called the nervous system, and which is coordinates the brain system. Why? What is the importance of the nervous system? So the nervous system enables movement and action. It allows for voluntary movement like walking, talking, and writing. So it is the nerve, through the nervous system, a connection with the brain. It is the one that enables somebody to be able to move and do other activities like walking, talking, and writing. It also facilitates sensation and perception. It enables us to experience and interpret the world around us. So it is the nervous system that helps us to interpret what the meaning of the things that are around us, like identifying the colors and all those things. So it also regulates bodily functions, maintains essential functions like heat rate, breathing, and digestion. So it is the nervous system that will be able to sense and also help in the maintenance of the functions. It is the one that should regulate, that regulates your breathing. It regulates also the digestion system. It also supports cognitive. Now we are talking about the signals that comes from the brain, and making those functions to work. Then it also supports cognitive functions that enables thought, learning, and memory, and problem solving. So it is the nervous system that helps you to think and to learn, and also through the nervous system you are able to acquire the memory. Although there are a lot of theories concerning memory, and especially memory, where some believe that the brain is not memory is not in the brain. Like there are those that they are what are called dichotomous, trichotomous, and monochotomous. So that the trichotomous are the ones that believes that the brain is it has got three functions. It has got what is called the spiritual side, where the memory is kept. Then it has got the physical, and it has got the mind itself. Then there is also another theory that says that the brain is only physical. So the operations in the brain is mechanical. So there is nothing like the thought is works just like the way the computer works. That is how the brain works. And also there is the theory which says the brain has got the visible and the invisible part, which is the physical, and also the software side. So thank you for listening to this. For if you want to know more and to have more information, you can be able to look into the textbook, which is the foundation of psychology, and we are looking, this information is in volume 1. So remember to get this book. And also, don't forget to enroll if you are not a student yet. Thank you so much, and God bless you.